So let me show you how to prepare and proper soldering a pipe, a copper pipe. So we have a blowtorch, we have a flux. I'll show you this one, yeah. So this one, most likely you use it in Europe, is a different thing. It's not so corrosive like a flux. So we have the cleaning tool, yeah, we have the elbows, and we have the water and the cloth. Yeah, we're not going to use no water and no flux to cool down the pipe, because normally you are not allowed. The pipe need to cool down normally, naturally, for perfect soldering. So let me show you what's inside of this and how it should be. Okay, so normal the pipes, they need to be clean inside and outside. Yeah, not the last. So this is what it's supposed to be. Now we need this tool, normally 15 and 22. So this one, you clean up the inside of the elbows. Yeah, so it's supposed to be like that. Then wire wall or something just to clean up the pipe, like this one, yeah, and this bit. Bear in mind, you need to clean the pipes in and out. Okay, so now we need to apply the flux. So the flux, depending what you're soldering, if you're soldering water heating, you can apply inside the fitting too, just a little bit, yeah. So you see, it's just a little bit everywhere, just a little bit. Okay, so inserting the pipes, make sure it's all the way in, yeah. Okay, now we don't need the flux anymore. Bear in mind, we need a cloth change to remove all the excess of the flux, if there's any flux. This is the position for soldering, or we can twist the pipe like that, yeah. Let's try to do something like that and soldering the pipe into this position. Now, the big thing is we have this one. It's really thick. Normal is supposed to be just a bit smaller. All right, now you heat up the pipe. So normally you heat up the pipe and the fitting, pipe and fitting, then your pipe, the lead. Okay, so you don't need more than that, yeah. So if you look around on this one, yeah, it's really simple, really easy. But the magic to last longer and everything is to leave it cool down by himself, yeah. So I can show you now, look how the soldering has been done, yeah. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut this piece of the pipe and we'll solder with this one. You're going to see a difference between this flux and this in the drum. So we'll do the same thing, cleaning up, similar to this one. Just clean the elbows. And now let me show you this one. So this one is a different thing, yeah. So similar to the other one, you apply it all around, make sure it's all all even fitting. Yeah. Okay, so let's try this one. Sometimes the fittings they playing around. Alright, so let's use roughly the same schematic. So same thing happening now. Fitting up the pipe and then the fitting. Check the color for the flux. When it's changing like silver, then it's ready. It's done. This is done. So what we're going to do, we just need to wait now to cool down, and our soldering is down. In the next video, I'm gonna show you the trick, whatever flux do you use, the parts to look like new for a long time.